In this video, we will learn how to update availability in the Yuno Instructor Account. Once we log into the Yuno Instructor Account, we need to click on our profile picture in the top right corner and select the Availability option from the user menu. Click on the Availability option. We will be redirected to a section where we can update our availability for all days. On the screen, we will see options for all 7 days of the week. It is up to us to decide for how many days we want to update our availability. For example, if as instructors we are available from Monday to Saturday, we can enable those days first. Now, let's say from Monday to Saturday, we are available for 2 hours, from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. We can select the start time as 12 p.m. and the end time as 2 p.m. If we are also available for 2 additional hours in the evening, we can add a new time slot and set it from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. We have complete freedom to add as many hours as we want according to our availability. We can enable the same timings for all selected days. Once done, click on the Save option, and our availability will be saved automatically.